Ooh, buddy, let me show you this pan now. Look at that. Man, it's still steaming. Look at that joker. Man, I'm back with another meal idea. We're gonna make this at the house. It's gonna be real quick, real high protein, low carb, so it'll fit into any diet. But I want you to grab some of these items. Make sure you keep some of these items in stock because you can use them for such a quick lunch or dinner idea. I'm gonna show you exactly what to buy, and we're gonna get this going because I am hungry and I don't have much time, so I'm trying to make this quick. So you know I'm here at Walmart, had to slide over here. I'm gonna show you exactly what to get. Make sure you get these items, keep them in stock, and let's go make this food. Come on now. All right guys, only a few ingredients. I'm gonna come grab some beef. This one's gonna be the 93 lean beef. If you want something a little bit leaner, you can go with the 96, or if you need a little more grease, go with the 90. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go with this one right here. So let's grab us some beef. Gotta start with the protein. All right guys, next up, I want you to slide over to the vegetable section, okay? Go over to the vegetable section. Look in this area right here. They have these broccoli slaw, okay? Different broccoli slaws. So grab you one of these. We're gonna use this for the beef, all right? So you can also get the bigger ones if you want. This one comes with the broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, but I like to get the slaw. It makes it much more easier. So this is a organic one, or you just get the regular one, either one. Grab your broccoli slaw. All right, now you know we can't cook our beef without some of this. So I want you to slide over to the bone broth area, and you're going to have to grab you some of this right here. You gotta get this, boy. I'm trying to tell you, if you know, you know on that bone broth. Grab you some of this. This is what we're gonna cook the beef in, okay? So, okay, now I want you to go over to the condiment aisle and keep this in stock. Now, this is what we're gonna use. You can cook the beef however you want, but I'm kind of gonna go with a teriyaki flavor, stir-fry flavor, and man, it just helps it taste so good. But I want you to grab this sauce right here, keep it in stock. It really helps when you need those quick beef meals. Man, this stuff really helps. You can also add it to chicken. It's really good, but you got to check these out right here. Okay, I want you to go find the G. Hughes sugar-free teriyaki marinade. Grab you one of those, and also grab you one of these right here, the stir-fry sauce. Okay, keep both of these in stock. You will definitely be using these a lot. A lot of times you might think it's, you know, where they sell the like soy sauce and stuff like that, but it's not on that aisle. It's usually on the condiment aisle. So if you go to the aisle where they have all your hot sauce, they have all of your barbecue sauce, ketchup, stuff like that, look up closer to the top. That's where you can usually find it, because I've tried to look for it before and I'm like, man, it's not over by the soy sauce, it's actually by the barbecue sauce. That's just a little pro tip. I'm here at Walmart. That's where you'll find it, okay? So we're gonna grab those few items, got them in the basket. Let's go home and make this. Man, it's only gonna take a few minutes and it is so good. I'm hungry. Let's go get some protein. Come on now. All right guys, we're back here in the kitchen. I got the meat cooking already. One item I forgot to show you, that you don't have to add this into your meat, but I always add it in there. Adds a little bit more protein, and man, it just gives that meat some flavor. Go with the Good Culture cottage cheese. If you can find Good Culture, well, if you know, you know on this, right? Good Culture, it can be hard to find sometimes because man, it's good. It says it right there in the name, man, you can't beat it. But get you some Good Culture cottage cheese. If not, go with some other type of cottage cheese. If you can find Good Culture, give it a shot. I'm trying to tell you, it tastes so good. If you know, you know on this one. So yes, I'm gonna add half a cup, one serving of cottage cheese into the meat, and got the meat cooking already. So let me flip this camera around. It's gonna come in around 420 calories, 60 grams of protein, 19 grams of fat, and probably around 10 to 15 carbs. And those are coming from the broccoli slaw. So it's basically just coming from vegetables. So check this out, let's cook it. I got the meat cooking there. Let me show you some of these ingredients I'm using, some of the seasonings. Of course, we got the kettle and fire bone broth. We're gonna cook it up with that. But like I said, you gotta get the stir fry and the teriyaki marinade. You don't have to go that route if you don't want to with the meat. Season it however you want to. Of course, I got that hot sauce kicking right here. Look at that, the sriracha. Keep that in stock if you want to fire it up a little bit. You can hit it with the liquid aminos or some light soy sauce if you want to, if that'll fit into your nutrition. I like to go with the Flavor God garlic, okay? You can find these at Walmart as well. And just a little everything seasoning, okay? Season it however you want, whatever you think tastes best. And of course, I got my half a cup of Good Culture cottage cheese. Let's go ahead and look at this meat. All right, let's see what we're working with here. Woo, buddy, come on now. Man, hold up. All right, this is 8 ounces of 93 lean beef. You don't have to do 8 ounces. I'm gonna do 8 because, man, I'm hungry. And I'm trying to tell you, what you can do, you can make this, if you don't want to use the whole thing at once, and split it up. Okay, so I'm gonna add this cottage cheese in there. All right, half a cup of cottage cheese, Good Culture. I'm gonna hit it with a little kettle and fire bone broth. You gotta go with the kettle and fire. If you know, you know on this, okay? Mix that in a little bit. Now eventually that cottage cheese is gonna get all in that meat. It's gonna cook good, okay? Now the cottage cheese just gives it great flavor. Perfect way to add some more protein. We'll go ahead and start hitting it with this seasoning here. I'm gonna go with the teriyaki marinade first. I'm not gonna do a whole 1/4 cup. I'm just gonna do a little bit because I'm gonna add it in as I go. Now I'm gonna hit it with the stir fry. Stir fry is a little thicker, okay? So hit it with that stir fry. You can do almost a 1/4 cup. Start there. Hit it with the garlic clovers. You're gonna hit it with the everything. So look at that, man, it's already smelling good. Come on now. We are just about ready. We're gonna I'm gonna stir this in and we're gonna go get that bowl ready. Because you're basically just gonna dump this meat on there and you're gonna be ready to eat. I'm trying to tell you, this is one of the easiest meals I make. It is so good, high protein, got everything you need, fit any kind of diet, but this meat is gonna taste so good. And so what you do is just mix it in. We're gonna let that top sit on there for a second. Let's go look at the salad. Remember, we're gonna use this broccoli slaw. I showed you that at Walmart. Kroger has it, H-E-B has it. Any store you go to, I've even seen it at Target. So just get you, it's called broccoli slaw. It's got everything you need in there, right? So all we're gonna do, man, it's so simple. All you're gonna do is just take it. I was gonna use a smaller bowl. I'm gonna use a big bowl because I got 8 ounces of beef coming with some cottage cheese, boy. It's about to go down. So just pour it in there however much you need. I'm gonna try to do about 2 cups. All right, that's gonna be about 2 cups right there, okay? Right here, what you got, you're gonna have 2 cups of broccoli slaw. Now all this is good veggies. You see all them in there? Come on now, you can't beat it. All you're gonna do is take that meat, throw it on here. You can add little toppings if you want to. One thing I've done before, I don't have any right now, is you can add some pine nuts in there. Pine nuts, man, they're so good. It makes it taste more like a salad, but also gives you some healthy fats in there as well. Whatever fits your nutrition, but definitely try this out. Man, that meat's already done. Let's go ahead and dump it in this bowl now. Ooh, buddy, let me show you this pan now. Look at that. Man, it's still steaming. Look at that joker. All you're gonna do is take this, you're gonna throw it on that broccoli slaw, and it's gonna be time to eat, okay? All this is number protein. We got 60 grams of protein up in this pan now. Now, if you don't need 60 grams, you don't have to put so much meat, but I'm gonna get 60 grams because I'm ready to eat. So, ooh, buddy, man, I'm trying to tell you how simple this is, and it is full of flavor, full of flavor. I ain't gonna lie to you. You're gonna like this one. One pan, one bowl, that's all you need. Let's go. Hey, let me tell you something. Look at that. Look at this bowl of nothing but protein. It's got your veggies in there from the broccoli slaw, man. Come on now, you cannot beat that. Look at that. No, you can see that. Look at that. Still steaming out that pan. Okay, this is so easy to make. I'm trying to tell you, all you need is to keep beef in the house, keep it in the fridge so that whenever, you know, if you're out, you're like, man, I need something to make when I get home. Keep that beef, keep the bone broth. You don't have to have the bone broth. It just helps it taste so much better with that bone broth. I'm trying to tell you, if you know on that kettle and fire. But if you don't have it, it's all right. Season the beef however you want. You could use this, make it a taco bowl if you want. If you season like taco meat, it's all good, okay? However you want to do it. But this right here, I'm telling you, if you keep the beef in the fridge and you keep something simple like this slaw in there too, man, when you get home, you can easily make this, mix it with that, season it however you want to, whatever sauces you want to go with. You want to go with like a teriyaki Asian flavor, go with that. You want to go with, like I said, with a taco bowl, go with that. It's so simple. Oh yeah, man, it is just so simple. I'm trying to show you these easy meals that I make, that I eat all the time, okay? Like I said, this is 60 grams of protein. If you don't need 60 grams of protein, then weigh out however much meat you need to use, okay? Everybody's nutrition is different. So I highly recommend you get a scale. Get your scale, okay? Come on now. I highly recommend you measure out everything and track all your food with a program like or an app like MyFitnessPal. It's free. Just go download it. All you gotta do is track your food, hold yourself accountable. You'll be surprised where you're at in your nutrition. I can't stress that enough. You have to be tracking. Try to hit your protein goals first. I always recommend that. If you need some help hitting your protein goals, I got you covered. In all my videos, I'm trying to show you how to get your protein goals. Once again, if you don't know how much protein you're supposed to be getting, just take the weight that you want to be at, whatever your goal weight is. Let's say it's 150 pounds. You want to get down or up to 150 pounds. If that is your goal weight, try to get 150 grams of protein a day. It's just that simple, okay? And watch my videos. I show you how to get that protein quick, tasty, and as healthy as possible, okay? Now, some of the ingredients, if you don't like them, you don't want to use them, and guess what? Don't use them, okay? You know, maybe try something else. I have multiple videos on there. I usually show different ways you can do high carb option, low carb options, whichever kind of diet you're running. Just add it in there, tweak it to fit your personal needs, your personal nutrition goals. We're all different, all right? I'm just trying to show you what I eat, what helps me stay healthy, what helps me stay lean, and I want to share it with you, and hopefully these videos will help you out as well. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this, if you've tried something like it, what you would add to it as well. Like I said, I'm probably going to throw a little of that hot sauce on top, and it's going to set it off really good. I'm looking forward to eating this one because I am starving. Let me know what you think about this meal. Ooh, buddy, that joker smells good. I'm trying to tell you. So try this one out. You go try this one. It's so simple, all right? I ain't gonna lie to you. Try this one out, and I'll see you next time for another one. Let's go.